Hello, everyone.
English conversation point.
How are you today? How is your English learning going? Remember, the more you study, the more you improve. Step by step, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's great to be here again with you all. How are you, Anna?
I'm doing really well, Mark. You know, I've been studying English at home lately, and I love it.
Oh, that's perfect. Because today's topic is exactly that. How to practice English alone at home.
Yay! You don't need a classroom to improve. You just need motivation and a little creativity.
That's right. Today, we'll show you how to make your home your English world.
Don't stop. Don't translate. Just copy the rhythm. Let's begin. Part 1. Create your English space. Repeat after me, slow and clear. I can learn English at home. I create my own study space. I keep my desk clean and ready. I put a notebook on my table. I keep my favorite pen nearby. I use a small lamp for light. I write my goals on a paper. I make my space calm and quiet. I study at the same time every day. I make English part of my home.
That's beautiful. Your space affects your focus.
Yes, a clean, comfortable place helps your mind relax and learn. Part 2. Practice speaking alone.
Let's talk about speaking, even when you're alone. Repeat after me. I talk to myself in English. I describe what I'm doing. I say, I'm cooking breakfast. I say, I'm cleaning the room. I ask myself questions. I answer in English. I repeat sentences from shows. I copy the rhythm of native speakers. I speak out loud every day. I am my own English partner.
Yes, it might feel funny at first, but it really works.
Absolutely. Talking to yourself helps you think in English naturally.
Part 3. Practice listening at home. Now, let's practice listening. Repeat after me. I listen to English podcasts. I watch English videos. I listen to music with lyrics. I repeat what I hear. I listen while I cook or clean. I use English in my daily life. I enjoy stories in English. I don't need to understand every word. I focus on the main idea. I listen every day to train my ears.
Yes, listening every day makes English feel natural.
That's right. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes.
Part 4. Practice reading at home. Let's read together. Repeat after me. I read short articles in English. I read simple stories. I use English subtitles. I read one page every day. I highlight new words. I guess the meaning from context. I read slowly and enjoy the story. I write down new expressions. I review what I read yesterday. I make reading part of my routine.
Reading helps you learn words without stress.
Yes, and reading builds your thinking in English.
Part 5. Practice writing at home. Let's practice writing. Repeat after me. I write a short diary every day. I write about my feelings. I write about what I did today. I write my goals for tomorrow. I use simple sentences. I don't worry about grammar. I focus on expressing my ideas. I write emails or notes in English. I check my writing once a week. I enjoy writing about my life.
That's one of the best habits for fluency.
Yes, writing makes your thoughts clear and helps you speak faster.
Part 6. Watch and shadow. Now, let's talk about shadowing, repeating what you hear. Repeat after me. I choose a short English video. I listen carefully. I repeat each sentence. I copy the speaker's voice. I copy their rhythm. I copy their emotion. I speak together with them. I listen again and repeat. I record myself and compare. I enjoy the progress I make.
Shadowing is like singing in English.
Yes, it makes your pronunciation stronger and more natural.
Let's practice good habits. Repeat after me. I practice a little every day. I don't wait for the perfect time. I use English in small moments. I talk to myself in the mirror. I listen while I walk. I learn one new word each day. I use that word in a sentence. I review what I learned last week. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I make English part of my life.
Beautiful rhythm, Anna.
Thank you, Mark. Consistency is the key to success.
Part 8. Mini Story. The Home Learner. Let's listen to a short story. Repeat after us slowly.
Emma wanted to learn English, but she had no teacher.
So she decided to study at home.
Every morning, she listened to English podcasts.
She talked to herself in the mirror.
She wrote in her diary every night.
She watched English movies with subtitles.
After 3 months, she spoke with confidence.
Her friends said, "Wow, your English sounds great."
She smiled and said, "I practiced every day, alone, but not afraid."
What a beautiful story.
Yes, learning alone can still be powerful. Let's finish with powerful sentences. Repeat after us slowly and confidently. I can learn English by myself. I can study at home every day. I can listen, speak, read, and write. I can make progress step by step. I am responsible for my learning. I am strong and focused. I don't give up easily. I enjoy learning alone. I am improving every day. I believe in myself.
That's the energy of a successful learner.
Yes, learning alone doesn't mean lonely. You have your dream with you.
Remember, your home can be your English classroom.
Speak, listen, read, and write. Just a little every day.
You don't need perfection. You need consistency.
You are your best teacher. You are doing amazing.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing, stay positive, and make English part of your home.